Understanding patio furniture, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, patio furniture. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will help you understand what patio furniture is, its uses, and some related vocabulary. Let's dive in. Patio furniture refers to a range of outdoor furniture designed for use in outdoor spaces like patios, gardens, or balconies. These pieces are typically made from materials that withstand outdoor elements, such as wood, metal, plastic, or wicker. Examples include chairs, tables, umbrellas, and loungers. Understanding this term is not only about knowing what the items are but also about getting a glimpse into a lifestyle that values outdoor relaxation and entertainment. In this section, we'll explore the different types of patio furniture. This includes chairs, often designed for comfort and durability. Tables, varying in size, they are central for outdoor dining or holding items. Umbrellas, provide shade and protection from the sun. Loungers, for relaxation and sunbathing. Benches, offering additional seating, often found in garden settings. Understanding these types helps in both practical use and in enhancing your English vocabulary related to home and lifestyle. Patio furniture is made from a variety of materials, each requiring different care. For instance, wooden furniture may need to be treated to prevent weather damage, while metal pieces could require rust protection. Knowing these terms not only expands your vocabulary but also helps in understanding care instructions and conversations about home maintenance. When selecting patio furniture, consider factors like space, the size of your outdoor area, weather, furniture should be suitable for your climate, style, it should match your aesthetic preferences, comfort, especially important for chairs and loungers. This section will help in understanding practical English used in shopping and home decoration contexts. I hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand what patio furniture is and how to talk about it in English. Remember, learning a language is not just about words but also about the culture and lifestyle they reflect. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.